clapping hands, urinating, or shouting and showing any form of reactions to the deliberation is not allowed. This ensures that members' deliberations are not interrupted until they finish their meeting. After the official closing ceremony of this meeting, members of the general public will be allowed to interact with honorable members in order to greet them and ask questions on issues which have been raised during the deliberations. May I ask you to be attentive during the whole period when members will be conducting their deliberations here at the stadium. With these remarks, I wish to urge you all, honorable members, to actively participate in the deliberations for the success of this meeting. I wish you all the best in your deliberations, and once again welcome all our visitors who are visiting Parliament for the first time. Thank you very much, and that marks the end of my communication. Honorable member for Mulanje Bale had recognized you in the point of order.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker, and good morning. And I have two observations on a point of order to raise. I just want to be assured, Right Honorable Speaker, that while seated out here, we are protected the same way we are protected in the House, because the language that we use in that House, no one can sue us. And I want to be sure that the language, if used here, no one will take offense, and my security is guaranteed. The second observation, Right Honorable Speaker, much as we have come to the people of Deza, I cannot see the majority of people from Deza. Was it by default that the Deza community did not come to welcome us, apart from the chiefs and the students from schools? Is that by design? Because we wanted to make sure that this is the first activity we are doing, and Parliament is in Deza today. We wanted Deza to fill the whole stadium, to observe to their members of Parliament that could show a sign of welcome to the people we represent. Honorable Speaker, I had those two observations. Apologies, I came in a little bit late because of the fuel queues, but I've managed to get it on a black market. Finally, I'm here. Honorable Speaker, thank you very much. 5 liters was at 50,000 kwacha. I just wanted you to know. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Member for Mulanje Bale. Your security is guaranteed, and anything you say here, just like Parliament, everything is under the same rules that we use in Parliament. So you are safe and protected. In terms of members, the citizens from Deza, we did our own part in terms of awareness, but we could only push so much in terms of awareness. But we've got quite a number of chiefs who are here on our side, and we'll give them a chance to speak at the end of the session. Thank you. Honorable members, can we proceed?
General business. Questions or notice to ministers for order.
Honorable member for honorable members, can we make progress? Let's ask questions. I'll give you space later, honorable member for Cholo Central. I'll give you space. Cholo Central. Thank you. Honorable member, the first question we have on the order paper is question 412. This is coming from honorable member for Deza South, the owner of this constituency, going to the honorable minister of local government, Deza South.
All right, Honorable Speaker, I would like to welcome you to Deza, and also thank you and your institution for making Deza to be the first of its kind to hold such an event. Right, Honorable Speaker, this is the beautiful Deza district. When you sit to your far right, you're seeing the Deza mountain, and I'm sure you can testify.
Can I have order, please?
I'm sure you can testify by the beautiful breeze that we're feeling today. And Speaker, I would like to confirm that the question appearing on today's order paper 412, indeed it's coming from the people of Dedza South and Dedza as a whole. I submit. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Member for Dedza South. Honorable Minister of Local Government and Leader of the House. Can I have order on my left, please? Order.
Good morning.
Right Honorable Speaker and Honorable Members of Parliament, what a privilege to stand before you and fellow Honorable Members, but also a privilege to stand before our chiefs, but also a privilege to stand before the students who are here. Honorable Speaker, the question that has been posed by the Member of Parliament for the South is a very critical question. The Honorable Member would like to know the status of Dedza, as it used to be a council, a town council, but it was stripped off being a town council in 2010. Right Honorable Speaker, I would like to thank the Honorable Member. Indeed, Dedza has a big population, which befits it to have a town council. Dedza Boma is a booming economy, and for quite a long time, many people have been doing trade across the district. The Honorable Member's question, Right Honorable Speaker, is a true reflection of what happened in 2010 when the DPP government did make a decision to strip off as town councils, and together with Kalonga district as the town councils. In 1978, the former president, His Excellency Dr. Hastings Kamusbanda, did declare Dedza as a town council. In 2010, the DPP government did strip off Dedza at the town council and cited quite a number of reasons why Dedza is no longer a town council. I'm pleased, Madam Right Honorable Speaker, that it has pleased His Excellency to declare Dedza and Salima as town councils. That was done 14 days ago, and this will be gazetted from Right Honorable Speaker. As I speak this morning, government is very busy making sure that the people of Dedza, the people of Salima, and the people of Kalonga get the best of the services from government. The Minister of Finance is busy working, and changes in terms of funding for Salima, Dedza, and Kalonga will be reflected in the next year's budget in April. I would like to thank you so much, Madam Speaker.
Thank you very much, Honorable Leader and Honorable Minister of Local Government. Yes, Honorable Member for Mangoti Southwest and Honorable Member for Dedza Northwest. Honorable Member for Dedza Central East and Balaka West. For now, yes. Let's start off with Mangoti Southwest.
Madam Speaker, good afternoon. And good afternoon, my relatives. My relatives of Dedza district.
Mangoti Southwest. It's still morning.
Yes, good morning.
Yes.
I wanted to know whether you are listening or not. So, good morning, Madam Speaker, and also good morning to my relatives, my mothers and brothers and cousins of Dedza, in particular Bembeke area. Madam Speaker, my supplementary question. Dedza district, and I would want to agree with what the leader of government just said, that indeed it is a booming town. It is a booming town. And I would also want to submit to the people of Dedza that it is not this my Congress party that can develop Dedza district.
Are you putting...
As I was coming here, no, this is a question supplementary. I'm coming there. It is not my Congress party. As I was driving here, there is a drain that has been dug there. For the past 6 months, that drain hasn't been completed. And they are coming here and they're telling us that they have declared there's a town as a town, so that they are going to develop it.
What is the supplementary question there?
The question is, let me speak. Let me speak. This is my home. This is not your home.
That's the chair. That's the chair.
Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker.
Hold on, my right.
The DPP government is coming back. We are going to develop Dedza. We started developing.
Member for Mangochi Southwest.
Can I complete?
The supplementary question.
Yes, now it's coming.
We're not supposed to have a debate.
Constructed the new border post just there. One border post. That building is the brainchild.
Honorable member for Mangochi Southwest. Your 1 minute is gone. You have not asked any supplementary.
The question that I'm asking
you
now.
have not asked any question.
I know I'm standing also for the leader of opposition.
No.
The question that I have is, how serious is this government in developing Dedza when a simple road is like 2 kilometers just going within Dedza, they are failing to construct it. They started 12 months ago, even up to now, nothing has been done on the road. Are they really serious? That's the question.
Thank you, Mangochi Southwest. Honorable Leader of the House and Minister of Local Government.
Right Honorable Speaker, through you, let me thank the people of Mangochi Southwest for the question. I would have problems to comment on other issues that the honorable member did ask or did allude. In the first place, if a DPP government, this is a failure of an administration that prioritized on of Dedza and Kalonga as a town council. There was no difference of Dedza, Ruchenza, and Kalonga and Malawi. The TBP government only left Ruchenza. I married around Ruchenza. The people of Ruchenza need a town council. But that did not warrant the TBP government to strip off Dedza, Salima, and Kalonga. Development must be shared equally across the country.
Space after the minister. I'll give you space.
Development must be shared equally across the country. The people of Ruchenza deserve a town council, such as the people of Nkando, such as the people of Dedza, such as the people of Kalonga, such as the people of Salima, such as the people of Mponera. They deserve town councils. The government of Malawi Congress Party, under the leadership of His Excellency Dr. Lazarus Makafe Jagwera, is going to continue to develop all councils in Malawi, including Cholo, where they failed to construct a stadium, where they failed to construct an office for it, is to take care of all the concerns of honorable members, including Cholo Central, and make sure that we finish the Cholo district office, we finish the stadium, we finish everything that we are doing now, but we will not forget Dedza, we will not forget Mponera, we will not forget Kalonga. As for the drain that you are talking about, I will go to your home village and ask if indeed the name, you really miss the name. Because you come from here. And the reasons why you left Dedza
not known. Please come back to your prayer. Come back to your people. Please come back to your people. Explain to us why you left Dexa. Madam Speaker, as I wind up my answers, what happened in your village? Thank you so much, Madam Speaker.
Honorable Leader. Honorable Member for Mango, Chimanki Bay, and then Choro Central for point of. I had recognized 2 points of orders. I'll go to the supplementary. Honorable Member for Mangochi Southwest.
Right.
After the point of orders, boss,
Right Honorable Speaker, I just wanted to. We are here. A one-stop border center there for Dexa. We have the MRA offices properly built by the previous government. That is what has made Dexa to be what it is today. Now somebody, without even one
the Cholo Stadium and the Cholo was above 50%. They have failed to complete it until now. They can't get credit out of it. My point of order there, when the people from Dexa, we can't continue business here because they have any fertilizer. The numbers are very small. They are protesting. The people of Dexa, they know very well that there is no fuel in town. There are queues all over and the people of Dexa are protesting. Madam Speaker, is it in order that we continue?